Have you ever looked up at the sky and felt a question echo in your heart? Who created this? Why am I here? Who is my Lord? In a world full of confusion, fake ideologies, and fleeting distractions, there is one eternal truth: Allah. Today, you and I begin a journey, not just a video series, but a journey back to the roots of our faith. We're going to rediscover what it really means to be a Muslim, not just by name, but by understanding, not through culture, but through clarity. So let's begin with the most important question: who is Allah? Allah is not a human being. He is not a light or spirit or energy. He's not inside creation. He's the creator of all things. Beyond time, space, and direction, he was never born. He will never die. He does not eat, sleep, or rest. He has no body, no shape, no limits. He created the earth and the sky, the sun and the moon, the oceans and the galaxies, all from absolutely nothing. And yet, he knows you. He knows what you think, what you hide, what you cry about at night. He is all merciful. He forgives when no one else can. He is all just. He never wrongs anyone. Allah is the one true God, the only one worthy of worship. In Islam, we don't go through anyone to reach him. No statues, no saints, no middlemen. We ask Allah directly. We bow to him alone, because no one else deserves our worship, our fear, or our love. This belief that Allah is one is called Tawheed. It is the foundation of our faith. When a Muslim child is told, worship this idol or bow to this man, that child confidently says, no, my Allah is greater. My Allah is one. He cannot be seen. He cannot be touched. He is above all creation, and he is the only one I worship. Even a child understands this, but many adults forget it. They worship money, fame, even their own desires. Islam reminds us, you were created to know Allah, to love him, to obey him, and to return to him. This is the first and most important lesson. Know who your Lord is. Tomorrow, we will go one step deeper. Who did Allah send to guide us? Who are the prophets? Why do we follow them? One truth each day, one step closer to Allah, one heart at a time. If this touched you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to The Guided Soul. Let's walk this path together until the heart finds peace in Allah.